Finally and officially, Alex is on camera. Well, my dear friends, if you ever wanted to know how do I even perform on camera, well, today is the day of my first channel review. Greetings everybody. Today's short episode is a huge announcement and very exciting news. Well, about a week ago, I created a new YouTube channel and named it Sequence Masters. Well, this was in my mind for quite some time, but I just couldn't find enough courage to make the first step. Now, just after making Filmora 14 review on this channel, I decided to record a talking head tutorial video, again reviewing Filmora 14. And of course, this was my very first upload on my new channel. The truth is, there is going to be a huge difference on the tutorials that I will be posting on this new channel. The tips and tricks on the other channel are going to be really different from the tutorials that you will be having on this channel. And also, besides Wondershare Filmora tutorials, I will also be making CapCut tutorials for those who really want to benefit from that. So if you really want to see me on camera for the very first time, by the way, before I finish that statement, my dear friend, I would like to ask you to subscribe on this new channel to help the growth as well. So here is the video right here.